Something extraordinary is happening behind closed doors in China, and the world is only beginning to take notice. While most people associate artificial intelligence with virtual assistants and recommendation algorithms, China has been quietly engineering something far more consequential. A new class of AI technology, developed under layers of government secrecy, is emerging as one of the most significant technological developments of the 21st century. This is not science fiction. Intelligence analysts, technology researchers, and geopolitical strategists are all pointing to the same unsettling conclusion. China has built an AI capability that could fundamentally shift the balance of global power. At its core, China's secret AI program is a fusion of military strategy, data dominance, and machine learning at a scale that most Western nations have not yet matched. The Chinese government has invested hundreds of billions of yuan into what it calls its New Generation Artificial Intelligence Development Plan, a roadmap designed to make China the world leader in AI by 2030. But beyond the publicly announced goals lies a shadow program, one that integrates AI into surveillance systems, autonomous weapons platforms, cyber warfare tools, and decision-making systems that can operate faster than any human commander. The People's Liberation Army has been embedding AI into its command structure, allowing machines to process battlefield data, predict enemy movements, and recommend tactical responses in real time. One of the most powerful and often overlooked aspects of China's AI dominance is its access to data. With a population of over 1.4 billion people and relatively few restrictions on government data collection, China has accumulated a dataset that is virtually unmatched anywhere in the world. This data fuels machine learning models with a level of depth and diversity that gives Chinese AI systems a significant training advantage. Facial recognition, voice pattern analysis, behavioral prediction, and social scoring systems have all been refined using this massive pool of information. What makes this particularly alarming is that this data infrastructure is not just being used domestically. Reports suggest that Chinese technology companies operating globally have been quietly feeding data back into state-controlled systems, expanding the reach of this intelligence network far beyond China's borders. The implications of this technology extend well beyond China's borders and into the heart of international security. NATO analysts and United States defense officials have raised serious concerns about the deployment of AI-driven cyber weapons capable of infiltrating critical infrastructure, disrupting financial systems, and disabling communication networks without a single soldier ever crossing a border. These are not hypothetical threats. Several high-profile cyber attacks in recent years have been traced back to AI-assisted intrusion systems believed to be of Chinese origin. The speed and precision of these attacks suggest a level of machine coordination that goes far beyond traditional hacking methods. The world is entering an era where wars may be won or lost not on physical battlefields, but in the invisible domain of algorithms and data. In response to China's rapid AI advancement, the United States, the European Union, and several allied nations have begun accelerating their own AI defense programs. The United States Department of Defense has launched its Joint Artificial Intelligence Center, committing billions of dollars to developing AI systems for military applications. Meanwhile, technology companies like Google, Microsoft, and Palantir are increasingly partnering with government agencies to ensure that democratic nations are not left behind in this technological arms race. However, experts warn that the West faces a structural disadvantage. Democratic societies, with their emphasis on privacy rights and ethical AI development, naturally move more slowly than authoritarian systems that can deploy technology without public oversight or legal constraints. The development of China's secret AI weapon is not just a story about technology. It is a story about power, control, and the future of human civilization. As AI systems grow more sophisticated and autonomous, the decisions made today by governments, corporations, and citizens will determine whether this technology becomes a tool for progress or a weapon of unprecedented destruction. Staying informed is no longer optional. Understanding what is being built, who controls it, and what values guide its deployment is perhaps the most important challenge of our generation. The age of AI warfare has already begun, and the world cannot afford to look away.